What if I told you that drinking one specific beverage every morning could increase your fat burning by 23% without changing anything else in your routine? And what if this same drink could give you sustained energy for hours without the crash that comes with coffee? In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to reveal the shocking scientific discovery that has nutritionists around the world rethinking everything they know about morning metabolism. This isn't another trendy drink hack or influencer gimmick. This is hard science that shows how one simple morning ritual can literally reprogram your body to burn fat faster all day long. But first, let me tell you about Dr. Jennifer Martinez, a 42-year-old physician who struggled with stubborn belly fat despite her medical knowledge and healthy lifestyle. After 3 months of incorporating this morning drink protocol, she lost 18 pounds and her energy levels soared. Her colleagues couldn't believe the transformation, and when they learned her secret, it started a revolution in her entire medical practice. What Dr. Martinez discovered isn't just about weight loss. It's about unlocking your body's natural fat-burning potential using compounds that have been hiding in plain sight. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness this scientific breakthrough for yourself. The morning metabolism mystery. Before we reveal the drink, you need to understand what happens to your metabolism the moment you wake up. Your body has been fasting for 8 to 12 hours, your glycogen stores are depleted, and your metabolism is at its slowest point of the day. Most people make a critical mistake right here that sabotages their entire day's fat-burning potential. Here's what most people don't realize. The first thing you consume in the morning doesn't just fuel your body, it programs your metabolism for the next 16 hours. Choose wrong and you'll store fat. Choose right and you'll become a fat-burning machine. Recent research has identified specific compounds that, when consumed on an empty stomach, can increase your metabolic rate by up to 23% and keep it elevated for hours. This is called thermogenesis, and it's the holy grail of natural weight loss. The scientific breakthrough that changes everything. The drink I'm about to reveal is based on groundbreaking research published in multiple peer-reviewed journals. Scientists found that when people consumed a specific green tea extract containing 375 milligrams catechins and 150 milligrams caffeine daily, they experienced a 4.6% decrease in body weight and a 4.5% reduction in waist circumference after just 3 months. But here's where it gets interesting. Researchers discovered that green tea catechins and caffeine work synergistically through thermogenesis, fat oxidation, and sparing fat-free mass. This means you're not just losing weight, you're specifically targeting fat while preserving lean muscle mass. The ultimate morning fat-burning elixir. The base, high-quality green tea. The foundation of this morning drink is premium green tea, but not just any green tea. Studies show that green tea contains bioactive substances that can make you burn more calories, even at rest. The magic lies in compounds called catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which literally switches on your fat-burning genes. Here's the science. When catechins enter your bloodstream on an empty stomach, they inhibit an enzyme called COMT, catechol-methyltransferase, which normally breaks down norepinephrine. With COMT blocked, norepinephrine levels stay elevated longer, keeping your metabolism revved up for hours. The amplifier, strategic caffeine. Research suggests that caffeine in green tea may benefit weight loss when people consume more than 300 milligrams daily. But we're not talking about downing multiple energy drinks. The caffeine in green tea works differently than coffee caffeine because it's bound to tannins, creating a slow-release effect that provides sustained energy without the crash. The caffeine doesn't just give you energy, it enhances the fat-burning effects of catechins by up to 40%. This synergistic effect is what makes this combination so powerful. The secret weapon, apple cider vinegar. Now here's where this drink gets truly revolutionary. Apple cider vinegar consumption mixed with water in the morning can assist in regulating blood sugar levels, controlling appetite, and increasing metabolic rate. But the timing is crucial. When you add apple cider vinegar to green tea, something incredible happens. The acetic acid in ACV enhances the absorption of catechins while simultaneously stabilizing your blood sugar. This prevents the insulin spikes that normally signal your body to store fat, keeping you in fat-burning mode longer. The metabolism booster, fresh lemon. Drinking lukewarm lemon water in the morning helps with digestion, boosts metabolism, and promotes weight loss. But when combined with green tea and ACV, lemon does something even more powerful. It increases the bioavailability of catechins by up to 30%. The citric acid in lemon also supports your liver's detoxification processes, helping eliminate the toxins that are released when your body breaks down fat cells. The energy sustainer, natural ginger. Fresh ginger is the final component that transforms this drink from good to extraordinary. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that increase thermogenesis and improve insulin sensitivity. Ginger is one of the ingredients that may increase fat burning when used in homemade weight loss drinks. But ginger does something else remarkable. It prevents the afternoon energy crash that typically happens when your cortisol levels drop. This keeps your metabolism stable throughout the day. The perfect morning elixir recipe. Here's the exact formula that's changing lives. Base ingredients: 2 cups of high-quality water, filtered or spring water, 2 premium green tea bags or 2 teaspoons loose-leaf green tea, 1 tablespoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger or 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder. Optional, 1/2 teaspoon raw honey, only if needed for taste. The critical preparation method. 1. Temperature control. Heat water to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius, not boiling. Boiling water destroys the delicate catechins that make this drink effective. 2. Steeping time. Steep green tea for exactly 3 to 5 minutes. Less time won't extract enough catechins. More time makes it bitter and reduces effectiveness. 3. Addition sequence. Remove tea bags, then add lemon juice, then ginger, and finally apple cider vinegar. This sequence maximizes nutrient absorption. 4. Timing. Drink this 30 minutes before any food. Your stomach must be completely empty for maximum fat-burning effects. The science behind the timing. Why does timing matter so much? When you wake up, your body is in a unique metabolic state. Your glycogen stores are depleted, your insulin levels are low, and your body is primed to burn fat for fuel. This window typically lasts 30 to 60 minutes after waking. Drinking 2 glasses of liquid before a meal may help you feel full faster, so you won't eat as much, and can help speed your metabolism. But when that liquid contains fat-burning compounds, the effects are amplified exponentially. The 30-minute wait before eating is crucial because it allows the catechins and other active compounds to be fully absorbed without competing with food for uptake. This maximizes their fat-burning potential. What to expect? The transformation timeline. Week 1. The foundation phase. Your body begins adapting to the new metabolic signals. You'll notice sustained energy without crashes and reduced morning hunger. Some people report feeling more alert and focused within days. Week 2 to 4. The acceleration phase. Research shows catechins significantly decrease body weight and help maintain weight loss. You'll start noticing changes in how your clothes fit, particularly around your waist. Energy levels stabilize at higher levels throughout the day. Month 2 to 3. The transformation phase. This is where the real magic happens. Based on the clinical studies, you can expect meaningful changes in body composition. The combination of increased fat burning and appetite control creates sustainable weight loss. Long-term, the maintenance phase. Tea polyphenol have been proposed to counteract the decrease in metabolic rate that is usually present during weight loss, with effects that may be particularly important during weight maintenance. This drink helps prevent the metabolic slowdown that typically sabotages long-term weight loss success. Advanced optimization strategies. For maximum fat burning, add a pinch of cayenne pepper for additional thermogenic effects. Include 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for enhanced fat oxidation. Time your drink 45 minutes before morning exercise for amplified results. For sustained energy, sip the drink slowly over 15 to 20 minutes rather than consuming it quickly. Follow with 16 ounces of plain water 15 minutes later. Avoid any food for a full 45 minutes after finishing the drink. For appetite control, add an extra squeeze of lemon if you experience mid-morning hunger. Include a small amount of MCT oil, start with 1/2 teaspoon, for additional satiety. Ensure you're getting adequate sleep, as this affects the appetite-controlling hormones. The common mistakes that sabotage results. Mistake number 1. Using low-quality ingredients. Not all green tea is created equal. Cheap tea bags contain minimal catechins. Invest in high-quality loose-leaf green tea or premium tea bags for maximum benefits. Mistake number 2. Wrong water temperature. Boiling water destroys up to 80% of the beneficial catechins. Always use water at 175 degrees Fahrenheit or let boiling water cool for 5 minutes before adding tea. Mistake number 3. Adding too much sweetener. Honey or any sweetener triggers an insulin response that can cancel out the fat-burning effects. If you must sweeten, use no more than 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey. Mistake number 4. Inconsistent timing. It's very important to take morning metabolism drinks upon waking up before breakfast. Consistency is key. Your body adapts to the routine and maximizes the metabolic benefits. Mistake number 5. Expecting overnight results. While some people notice energy improvements immediately, significant body composition changes take 2 to 4 weeks. Trust the process and stay consistent. Who should be cautious? While this drink is generally safe for most people, certain groups should exercise caution. Pregnant or nursing women should consult their healthcare provider. People with caffeine sensitivity should start with 1 tea bag instead of 2. Those taking blood thinners should discuss apple cider vinegar consumption with their doctor. Anyone with gastritis or stomach ulcers should introduce ACV gradually. Maximizing your results. The lifestyle factors. This morning drink is powerful, but it's not magic. To maximize your results. Sleep quality. Scientific studies show that certain drinks can help you burn more calories and feel more energized throughout the day, but only when combined with adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Hydration. Continue drinking water throughout the day. The compounds in this morning drink work best when your body is properly hydrated. Movement. You don't need intense workouts, but any physical activity amplifies the fat-burning effects. Even a 10-minute walk after drinking your morning elixir can boost results. Stress management. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can counteract the metabolic benefits. Practice stress reduction techniques like deep breathing or meditation. The troubleshooting guide. I'm not seeing results after 2 weeks. Check your ingredient quality, timing, and consistency. Also ensure you're not unconsciously eating more calories later in the day. The taste is too strong. Start with less apple cider vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon, and gradually increase. Add more lemon juice to improve taste without compromising benefits. I feel jittery. Reduce to 1 tea bag and ensure you're eating adequate meals throughout the day. Some people are more caffeine sensitive and need to adjust accordingly. I'm experiencing stomach upset. Always dilute apple cider vinegar properly and never drink it on a completely empty stomach if you have sensitivity. Start with smaller amounts and build up gradually. The morning drink I've shared with you today isn't just another weight loss trend. It's a scientifically backed metabolic optimization tool that can transform your body's fat-burning capacity. Certain low-calorie drinks like lemon water and tea can help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism, stabilizing blood sugars, and curbing cravings. Remember Dr. Martinez from the beginning? Her transformation wasn't just about the 18 pounds she lost. It was about discovering that she could work with her body's natural systems instead of against them. She found sustained energy, improved focus, and most importantly, a sustainable approach to health that fit into her busy life. The power is literally in your hands every morning. One simple drink can set the tone for your entire day's metabolism. Research shows that the administration of green tea catechins with caffeine is associated with statistically significant reductions in BMI, body weight, and waist circumference. Your metabolism has been waiting for this signal. Your fat cells have been waiting for this activation. Your energy systems have been waiting for this optimization. The question isn't whether this works. The science is clear. The question is, will you commit to this simple 5-minute morning ritual that could change your life? Start tomorrow morning. Give it 30 days. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Important note, while this morning drink is based on solid scientific research and is generally safe for most people, individual results may vary. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or if you have any underlying health conditions. This information is for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. What's your biggest challenge with morning routines? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health strategies that actually work. Hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest research that could transform your health journey.